candidates number 8, 9, 4, and 12. Yes, you heard it right. We have our 4 ambassadors for the Social Civic Launch. And of course, we would like to express our profound best headshot of this year's Mr. South Filipinas Lepa is none other than candidate number 8, Earl Lati. Congratulations, candidate number 8. Sir Alkin and the presenters, please remain on stage. The best in arrival outfit is candidate number 8. Congratulations, Earl. Moving forward to the next level is candidate number 8. Take the spotlight. And the last candidate who made it to top 10 tonight is candidate number.
But feeling great.
I'd like to congratulate you for making it here.
Thank you so much.
And of course, Earl, can you tell us also, how was the journey of being here at Mr. South Filipinas?
Actually, our journey is not that easy. I remember the time that I am in the moment of the screening. I am asking myself if I should go. But looking forward, it is really perfect. I met a lot of people, a lot of connections, and a lot of friends. And look at us now. We're here in top 10. Thank you.
Thanks, Earl. So here, you're still in the competition, candidate number 8. Joining you in the top 8.
I think for me, what I interpreted in this genre is, for me, masculinity with responsibility nowadays showcases that we're the modern world. We talk about that we are all equal in terms of no matter what's your gender, race, or whatever your background is. Nowadays, masculinity means that you are open on all of the genders, mentioning the LGBTQs, also mentioning the people who are around us. Also, I interpret that responsibility with masculinity can be a great way to showcase us that being a gentleman really needs to be a great role model. Thank you.